According to the golden mean, A in ratio to the intercanine width should be. So if you understand A is this particular area, that is the width of the central incisor, the left central incisor. So there's something called W, that is the width of the intercanine width actually. So that is the width from the distal aspect of the right canine to the distal aspect of the canine on the contralateral side, that means on the left side, right? So this complete area is W and this is A. So according to the golden mean, or we can call it as golden percentage, which was given by Snow. Okay. So according to the golden percentage, what should be the width or the proportional or the ratio with the intercanine width of your central incisor, right? So one rule is that according to Snow, it was recommended that 60% lateral to incisor ratio should be there. Lateral to incisor width ratio should be there. That means this particular thing is called as the golden percentage. What does that mean? That means that whatever the width of the central incisor, for example, we have X, then the lateral incisors width should be 60% of the X. And the width of your canine here should be 60% of this particular value. So if 60% of X is going to be Z, so it will be 60% of Z. So that is one rule that is called as the golden percentage, and it is very useful in smile design. Okay, so this golden proportion is used in smile design to give the proper width to the various anterior teeth in the aesthetic zone, right? Now if we try to find out the ratio of this particular width, that is your A, in ratio with the intercanine width, right? So here the intercanine width is given as W, that is the width from the distal aspect of the canine on both the sides, right? And here you will be getting that the central incisor, when compared to the total intercanine width, it should be 25% of the total intercanine width according to the golden proportion. Each maxillary lateral incisor should be 15% of the width, and each canine should be 10% of the intercanine width when viewed from the anterior view. Remember, it has to be viewed from the anterior, or basically it should be viewed from the front, right? So basically, if you just try to compare this particular distance with the intercanine width, it would be 25% of your W, that means 0.25 W. Here this particular distance is going to be 0.15 W, and this particular area is going to be 0.10 W. So basically this is the 25% of the intercanine width. So answer to this question is going to be, we have been asked about A, this particular distance, so actual ratio according to the golden percentage, golden proportion or golden mean is going to be first, that is 25%.